so ingrained in my stupid homework, I forgot to stream. I also forgot to stream yesterday, and by that I mean I went to bed as soon as I could on because I was so tired. So I wonder if anybody will even show up. But this does not matter. It is my first, I lost my streak, if you will. So that's a bummer. Cool. We're online. So I just found this funny. I downloaded the Coke Method CW Trainer G4 FON trainer, and it's if I could drag it over, that'd be great. But I just find this funny. Like, instead of buying the software, send this guy a QSL card. It's like, all right. Signal Simulator, let's play when? Let's play it right now. I actually bought it. I have not played it yet. See, there it is. That'll be fun. It's funny because I worked at the VLA and they perfectly modeled those antennas. So it's been 14 days. I decided to check in with Reddit, ATUR radio, to give them my status update because this is where it started after all. I don't have many comments, but like I kind of wrote a novel. Oops. You even have to. Yeah, I know. I love it. Let me turn off. No, where's my no chat? Right, desktop only. So I mentioned some stuff, and if you've been watching, this is all common. You already know this. I learned some things from you guys. I especially started learning words in QSOs, even though I tried. I do think learning gibberish and random characters might be detrimental, and I'll get into something where I'm like realizing maybe Farnsworth timing is detrimental too. Do SAT, CW Academy, change the speeds, try CWCom, which is thumbs. You can't see me doing thumbs up, but it is cool. And do CW Academy, but just waiting to do CW Academy just because, I can learn the things. FLY is the hardest characters. I pass the first attempt, and then I go crappy and turn into a pickle, yada, yada, yada. And then last night I was thinking, while I was sleeping, that trying to get some sleep, that I noticed that every time I try to do something where there's less time between characters, I freeze. So if it's like a real person, if it's a real person, if it's like pro signs, what did I type here? A pretend QSO, my brain just shuts off and I'm like, give up. So I'm thinking, and I saw this somewhere else actually, after, thinking about it, I found it on another Reddit thread that it might be better to learn CW in short groups of like maybe 2 characters and then increase the number of characters rather than learning it in like with a half a second timing between each character, or up to 1 second. So like literally, that's what somebody typed right here. Forget about Farnsworth. It messes up your timing. Instead, use full groups. And I was just like, how did I think of this before? But maybe that's 30 Crows on Reddit has a good point. So I don't know if you can do that in Learn CW Online. So yeah, just kind of like a status update, a progress report where I'm at. I've gotten through 26 lessons and 104 attempts, which are 1 minute long. So I spent 104 minutes learning CW, not including all the mulligans and like the extra time streaming and stuff. And I have this many letters to go. So, all right. That's that. I think I was going to say something else, but I forgot. Why not mention YOTA Camp? YOTARegion2.org needs your help. Donate now to YOTARegion2.org, where your money has twice the impact, thanks to Steve KM9G, who hangs out on this stream sometimes. Yeah, go do that. YOTA. It's the best thing between two slices of bread in the 21st century for young hams of the world. All right, shall we? Actually, let's shall. I kind of want to try something new. So I wanted to mention G4FON. It's this guy. Oh my God, that is loud, and I don't like that high pitch. How do I? So this was built. The website for this says it works on Windows XP, but it also works in Windows 10, believe it or not. I give this a shout out because it's really cool. So, and I've used it before. This was the first, this was the OG CW trainer that I initially used, and it uses a different. Where's the file setup? It uses a different character set. And this actually has something that I was asking for on LCWO. Whoa. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's get all the characters. Let's see if it has a different... Oh, wow, that's cool. So if you haven't learned all the characters, it's like, nope. And then, boop. Here's some stuff you can do. Text file and words and QSOs. And you don't get that until you finish. So KMRSU, this is a different order. And it also has the comma, and you can uncheck that. But I did comment on somewhere on Reddit that I was annoyed that comma was being trained, and the guy was like, well, we do use it on real air when we use, like, say, for example, state, city, comma, state. So I stand corrected. But it's interesting that this is a slightly different order than the one in LCWO. I don't really know what the difference is, except for K and M and R and S. Like, there's a commonality, but like, yeah. Uncheck the starting letter of words you do not want in the lesson. Huh. So you can uncheck a starting letter, not a containing letter. Interesting. But it actually, oh, there's an MFJ 418 learning order. What's that? Favor recently added characters. I like that. This has a lot of features. Straight key fist, good or bad. Speed dither. There's so many features. And my favorite features is, like, you can turn up the noise, you can turn down the signal strength, turn on some QSB, get some straight key crappiness, QRM, dither the speed and the pitch because, you know, why not? And here you go. Oh my gosh. Help. That sounds like my normal operating environment. Let's make that a little less terrible. Here's the thing that I notice in that high speed. Turn off all this garbage. I hear the code. And I immediately know. Yeah, I knew that was that. Even though this is at full speed, it's like I can tell, like I can tell myself that yes, that was definitely an F that I just heard, even though I can't go like type it out really quickly. Also, that's another thing. You can't type it out. You have to click start, put your head down, type, like draw it out or go into a notepad, and then, you know, check yourself. There's no checking method. So, all right, that's enough fun with that. Where is my browse? Browse. And let's go back to the old tried and true, or whatever. I got low light tonight. So yeah, last night I skipped a night because I was sick and tired. I was mostly just really sleepy because I stayed up too late the night before, which is something that I do from time to time. What can you do? I mean, maybe not do that, but back to 27, 26, because we stopped at 9, and let's get past this one. Oh no. Oh man. I deserve a mulligan. I was moving around and... What was da-da-da-dit? Da-da-da-dit. Da-da-da-da-dit. P. It was P. Nine. Something 5. What? What? What was the... Where did I go wrong? Oh. I didn't put a space right about here. VNP, question mark, FJ, whatever. It's not the worst I've done in the world. 9. Yes, it was 9, Kyle. 9! Nine! Period. V. The J. S. 5. Da 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 da. Da da da. Oh. J. That one. Q. No, wait. Dot. Missed a lot. That sounded a lot like C, but that was not C. Mm-hmm. Also not good. I don't care. I don't care anymore. Give me your worst. I got most of the... What is this? Oof. Coof. Coo. Ooh. Coo of. Alright. Full focus. Nobody send me any chats for the next minute. Mega focus. Still just barely missed it. Super focused. Yay! We did it! We missed 3 characters. And it was F, Q, and P, surprisingly. By we, I mean all of us. Because we're all in this together. Who else is online? Nobody I know. But all great people learning CW, which is all that matters. Okay, we're on to the number 2, because I peeked ahead. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Any volunteers for anybody to do my homework? The dumb thing about my homework is, like, literally the instructor asks us, see what I'm doing here? It's subliminal, like Morse code learning, just have it playing on in the background. The instructor's asking us to post all of our answers into a discussion board which everyone else can see. So I don't know if it's like a game of, oh, haha, everyone else got different answers than you, because they're very simple, like kind of fundamental questions that I just Googled. And they literally, if you Google these like verbatim and put quotes around them, you'll find the answers. But I didn't do that. I looked in our textbook and I put out some reasons for things, and I'm a smart puppy until I found a word called transistence, which just, it's not a word. Transistence, it's the idea that a transistor is like a variable resistor. When you have it in a circuit and you put in more current and the voltage changes. I don't know. I'm not a double A, except that's what I am. Oops. But it's actually a shortened term of transresistance, which is the kind of dual of transconductance, similar to how inductance and capacitance are duals of each other. But they shortened the term. This was the whole reason why they came up with the word transistor, because it does act like a variable resistor in the ohmic region before it goes into saturation. And they use this in like constant current source. But nobody told me to type that. I didn't read that anywhere except from my own Googling. So good for me. So back to CW. We learned the letter 2. Da-da-da-da-da. Oh. Da 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 da. Da da no da 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 da. Da 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 is Y. Da 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 is Q. I think I passed, and there wasn't even the number 2 in there. You may want to try the next lesson. How about a lesson that actually has the number that I asked for? I don't know. It said to try the next lesson, so let's just go on ahead and learn the letter H, which I've been waiting for H. What's going on? Evening report. Gosh, people. Steam is trying to send me. What am I trying to say? Yes. Anyway, carry on. Da 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 da. I did get the 2, and I didn't get the H. I think I was yawning like right here though. Should I get sleepy? I wake up too early for this. I still got more homework to do. Ugh. Does anybody else like cry when they on? I mean, not cry, just tear up. Hello, person on Twitch. That's a rarity, but thanks for watching. Or thanks for coming by. I hope you learned CW. How long has it been? 22 minutes. I might actually play simulator, signal simulator after this. Or you can watch me do my homework. Who knows? Ah, there's an H. Last one a Y? Yeah, it was. What is word training, and can you use it before you have all the letters learned? Yes. Word training. I think we did that like lesson before last. The trick here is you can use characters from lesson and pick the lesson you're on. So what am I on? 28? And that will exclude the letters that you haven't learned. But words don't have slashes and commas and periods in it, so they probably won't have that unless they have. Unless you use. Why am I yawning so much? Okay. Unless they use CW. No, I don't think you get those in here at all. Right. So I wanted to do this, and you can change. So speed. This is the character speed, and this is the actual. This is the effective speed, and this is the actual character speed. So this will do 5 words per minute, but 20 character. Right. Duh. Press period to repeat it. did it realize? And so as you go faster, or as you do correct words or do words correctly, it increases the speed. So I didn't hear that. I heard VE at the end, but it's kind of hard to finish it. F, F, E, N. Offensive. Is that it? But I'm just filling in the blank because I remember VE, but like didn't hear the I. E, N, S, I, V, E. Okay, cool. Boom. Jeez, too many like that beep, ba ba beep, like. Something interesting, like stop. When I'm like, I have to focus on the characters, and then I start looking at the letter, and I'm like, what letter is that? And then the characters, the processor in my brain just turns straight off when I'm trying to figure out what word that is based on like what I'm seeing. I have never seen a word start like this. What is this? A N T I T R. Da-da-da. Dang it. You. Da-da-da. This is the problem with me trying to learn words. It's like, I'm still not learning words, I'm just learning characters. Antitrust. And also, it speeds up the words per minute. And calm down, buddy. Just slow her down. Simmer down. Yeah, but I can't put in a fixed speed, so that is cool that it increases speed. But like, dang it, I feel like I need to learn all the letters. But dang it, at the beginning of this, I mentioned that Farnsworth timing is bad. You know. Also, my Twitch viewer left. Oh, sad. Or viewers. But there's still 2 of you on YouTube apparently. So thanks for hanging out. So like, I don't know what's good. How do I learn Morse code the best? I don't know. I'll do 2 more of these and I'm done. Going. Just keep her moving. Still not perfect. If you use Farmworm's method, keep the character and word speeds in a couple. If I do that, KB9CH, then bad things happen. If I do that, then I lose my processing time, and then nothing comes through. 20 character, 16 effective. Yeah, watch how. Yeah, no, that didn't work at all. That's a big nope. Now you say, slow character down to 18, increase word to 10. Slow character down to 18, increase word to 10. Give her a shot. Now this is slowing down the character speed, which I had at 20, and increasing the effective speed, which I had at 5. So it's the effect of slowing down everything. Do it with word, but I can't do word. Like I showed you what it looks like with words. It's really bad with words because I listen to the words 100 times over, and I look up and I'm like, that's not a word, and I forget the rest of the whatever's going on. Like this. Did what is did That's going on a highlight. Oh wait, I didn't actually change the word settings. Boost the word. I don't know what boost the word means. Slow character down, so character minimum character speed 18. I know it was shift. And increase word to 10. Okay. I bet that was materials, but only because I could see. Boost the word, boost the speed. Your word training. Boost the word, boost the speed. Boost the word. Word? This is word. You mean I no longer am going from 10 by 18. I'm going to what? Boost this up to 13 by 20? I don't know what you're trying to say. That is so funny. But the words, like, I don't know. Am I ruining myself by listening to the characters like gibberish, like I was saying earlier, like mentioned in that Reddit thread that I won't pull up because I'm lazy. Since I'm having such a slow effective speed, sure, I'm learning to get characters, but like I'm not learning a word. No custom characters. you know? I'm trying to think if there's like a way to do code groups, but no, plain text. The problem I have with like word learning is you learn words like you learn words. In another, put another way, you learn English by hearing the word apple. You don't learn it by saying apple is A-P-P-L-E. Now, what does that spell? Like, okay, sure you do, but like children at age 4 know what the word apple is. They don't know that apple is A-P-P-L-E. They just know apple is uh, red or green fruit and sounds like apple and tastes like awesomeness because apples are good. Get used to listening to words at 20 characters and a word speed at 10 to 16. And what I'm doing is like I'm listening, I'm learning A, B, C, D, but I'm not learning the actual words. And it's not like I need to learn the actual, or not learning the actual, yeah, learning the actual words. But I do need to learn the actual characters, which is like through lessons. But yeah, that's what I'm thinking, Mike. I'm glad you guys are talking and kind of leading me onto, a path, because that's why I'm here. I'm questioning my ways, and that's always a good thing. I'm at the point where I've taught you all I know, and now I'm in the point of of new territory where I'm actively asking for your help. If you listen at a slower word speed, you forget the letters at the first of the word. But if you listen to a slower word speed, you forget the letters of the first. I usually have a great job remember knowing the first couple letters. It's the problem is the last couple letters, because then I'm like I miss a letter and then I finish the word, or I miss a letter and so get used to listening to the words at the 20 character. I'm assuming that means character speed. And then and use word speed 10 to 16. Because, again. Seattle. I tried to fill in the blank. Okay, enough playtime. Back to work. You're right. Back to work. Oh, wait. I need to change my CW settings back. 5, 20. What's that when I... Oh, no, nothing good. You are talking to yourself as you are on YouTube. I talk to myself with or without YouTube. You should have watched me doing homework earlier. Yelling at it how stupid it is. Alright, 2 more lessons and then we're done. Just a few. Not ideal. One more. Was getting really close there. Oh, sweet. I did get really close there. I just kind of failed at the end, but I passed. I don't feel like I passed because it takes like 100% of my cognitive ability to get through to that point. So I won't to lesson 29, but I will save that for later for number 3. Anyway, thanks again for watching and sticking around with me for these 42 long, strenuous minutes. I hope you enjoyed, and see you tomorrow at 7 o'clock.